Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Yoga and Hikes with Mike. For today's hike, we'll be walking along the Maumee River. Time for some yoga. Reach both hands up over your head and grab your right wrist with your left hand and breathe in to the side body stretch and then switch sides. Low lunge with your left foot forward. Reach your hands over your head. Gently grab your right wrist with your left hand and breathe in to this side body stretch. Switch sides. Low lunge, right foot forward. Cycle through the same side body stretches we did as standing, now from the low lunge position, and feel if there's any difference in your body. Try to align your knee over your ankle to avoid injury. With each inhale, feel your spine lengthen and the space in between your vertebrae expand. With each exhale, feel the tension throughout your body release. Half splits. Shavasana. Take rest, lay down on your back. Peace. Take it easy.